Hey, Forest Park. I wanted to try to bring you into our construction. I know you've been wondering what's been going on, who's tearing up our church. Well, I want to tell you who the guy to blame. His name is Brad Lothar with Fire and Construction. We're just thankful for Brad and his crew being able to help us and work with us. So, Brad, just introduce yourself.
Yeah, I'm Brad Lowther. We've been in business for 20 plus years, and we're happy to help you guys and looking forward to putting your church back together and getting you something really nice and something special to be proud of.
Well, Brad, what we would like to do is maybe just kind of go through and just kind of tell us what you. I got my hard hat on. All right, I got my hard hat, so I'm being safe. All right. So just allow Brad to come through and kind of share with us what we've done, what we've had, and so give you guys an insight and get you excited about what we're trying to do. So, Brad, I'm
Yeah.
gonna let you take us away.
All right, come on in. All right, so we've already started demoing the floor. As you can see, we've got the ceiling tiles out. We're going to put LED lights, which you've already got in here, but we're going to make all the whole entire congregation LED lights. We're going to paint walls, texture walls. What else am I forgetting? We want to go into the sanctuary
Yeah,
now?
we can go into the sanctuary.
This is going to be vinyl plank as
So
well.
this will be vinyl plank. We no longer have to be worried about being slipping and falling. It'll have a nice little texture to it. So we're excited that we'll be able to walk in and be able to have a good, nice inviting. We'll still have our little information station over here as well. But we want to hopefully just open your eyes and make you think, wow, when you walk in the door. So let's come on into the sanctuary. So you can see right here, what do you got going on here, Brad?
We've got all the carpet demoed. We're preparing to demo out the stage carpet, and we're going to put in all new carpet tile in here on the floor and the stage. We're going to scrape the old popcorn ceiling, texture, paint, new base, rubber cove base.
What about the columns? What are you doing to the columns?
Yeah, we are going to wrap them and get them painted.
And got lighting in here as well in terms of that.
We've got new LED lights, right? Isn't that right? And what else do we got? No, we're going to do a sound booth.
Yep.
We're going to make it bigger to provide more space up here.
So will it still also have a platform like this as well?
Yeah, okay. We're going to spread that platform out a little bit more, build a wall across there, and really be able to stretch your sound booth out. We're also going to put new ductwork running along this wall over here to make sure we get proper airflow into the sanctuary.
So in other words, if you sit back here in the back, your feet won't get cold anymore.
Your feet won't get cold. Man. We've heard stories of this.
Oh, yes. Thank you, Brad. Thank you. They may keep me around a little longer if you make that happen. So take me on the rest of the way, what we got going on here. So.
All right, let's go down the hallway. Or do we want to go in this room? Yeah, let's go in here.
This room ain't much of nothing, is it?
This is the headman's room, new office. We're eliminating all of this and make a nice big office in here. Paint, texture, and some new LED lights.
So I no longer will have to be running back and forth to my office while service is going on when I have to handle things. This will be so much less disruptive. So we're just thankful to be able to do the things that we are. Appreciate you, church, for your love and your kindness and your thoughtfulness and your giving and your pledging, and continue to do that because of you, we're able to do a lot of things that we are. So just thankful to my church, and guys, you guys are amazing.
Yes. All right, let's go down the hallway.
So this is going to be our new resource room, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So this is where we'll have our copy machine. We'll have an island in here for like a station where you can be able to make arts and crafts. When we're making gifts that we do for all the people that we want to love on, we'll be able to bring things in here and put them together, wrapping gifts as well. So this is going to be our I'm going to come up with a catchy name because I feel like this is that room to where we're able to make everything more of an amazing than when we present it. So if you know of a name that we can call this room, I would love for your input on it. So you can be able to definitely let us know in church on Sunday, or you can always email me and let me know, because we really want to make this room be that wow room where we come in and just be able to do some amazing things. So just excited about that.
Yes, very much so. Copier room?
Oh
Or
yeah,
storage,
storage room is back
storage
there
room.
as well. And so just excited about that as well. You all can see a lot of the stuff that we had to pick through and get it all. And so a lot of work has been done already. And just thankful that Brad and his company has been able to work. This room, I think, is an exciting room here. And I guess I'm safe to now walk in here, right,
Yes,
Brad?
yes,
All right,
yeah,
okay.
yeah.
So it is safe to come in here. You've taken care of all of the asbestos
Yeah,
concerns that we have.
yeah,
We are going to also take care of the restroom
that's
and
correct.
make a nice restroom. We're going to make this a very inviting place for our mothers, and thankful to them to where they can be able to come in and still be a part of service. And so we're just anticipating how this can evolve and what we'll have in here.
Yeah, new flooring, new lights, new ceiling tiles, new windows. We're going to get the heat and air working properly in here,
So
so we can
we're
get rid
getting
of
rid of,
this.
oh
Yes.
wow, okay, all right. Well, I'm excited about
Yeah.
that. That definitely helps with creatures and stuff coming
Yeah.
through there and all
Yeah.
that, and the moisture and
For
everything.
sure.
So many different things. Now, I noticed you sent me a picture one day with some mold or something that you found pulling off some of that
Yes.
the
Yes.
wallpaper and
Yeah.
things like that.
We removed the mold that was in the back room back there. We
Okay,
eliminated that.
okay.
And yeah, and abated it, and then put kills
Put kills on.
on
Okay,
everything to
gotcha.
eliminate any mold.
Gotcha. Okay, so we're gonna go back there and we can see that as well. The fellowship hall is gonna pretty much that. We'll probably just do lighting and stuff like that,
Correct.
ceiling and painting in here to get that set up. Um, I think classrooms pretty much. We'll take down that chalkboard and just kind of just paint the walls and so that way Lyric doesn't come into class and point up and say, "Hey, that ceiling tile look like it's getting ready to fall," you know. So we definitely want to make it safe for our kids and for our teachers as well. Um,
And here we're going to remove all of the interior wood and run new electric for a TV, for you to be able to mount a TV to.
Awesome. Can't wait for that. Are we the kitchen? Wow, look at the kitchen. This looks like it's going to be amazing. So I'm gonna let you tell us what you got going on in here, because I know my ladies are cringing about their kitchen. So
Yes, yes. So all new countertops, new faucets. We're going to shrink the island down just a little bit, but give you more of a space over there for your serving. We're going to move that door over so we can put the warmers over here in the corner.
okay.
Um, we have gone back and forth a couple of times on whether or not the windows stay or go, and if we're going to build some new stuff. So that is a surprise.
Yes. We're not gonna be able to tell you everything. We want to at least keep some suspense to you in this renovation, so that you'll have something to look forward to. But yeah, we are looking at jazzing up and doing some things, as well as I share with you about some blessings that we have for some companies that want to come in and give us a wish list of things. So those are some exciting things that God is allowing us to be a part of. If we trust Him, if we follow Him in His path, He will truly take care of us. And I believe, church, that's what He's been doing. And so we're just excited about that as well. I think we have enough for today. I don't think I want to share any more on down the hallway, because we got some more surprises. But church, this is our first installment. Next week, or maybe around Christmas time, we'll come back with our second session. But until that time, God bless you, keep safe, and we'll see you Sunday.
Amen.